Online auctions have become a popular method of sales today. Online auction platforms used for selling valuable and unique items, such as artworks, antiques, and rare collectibles, offer many advantages for both buyers and sellers. Through these platforms, you can showcase your valuable items, reach a wide potential customer base, and generate income. To organize an online auction, you first need to accurately evaluate your valuable items. You can seek assistance from a professional appraiser to determine the real value of your items. Appraisers evaluate the characteristics and rarity of your items, helping you establish a realistic price range. This allows you to price your items accurately and be captivating during the auction. Next, you'll need to sign up for online auction platforms. These platforms facilitate the auction process and enable you to present your sales to a broad audience. When signing up, consider factors such as the platform's reliability, user experience, and commission rates. Popular online auction platforms include eBay, Sotheby's, Christie's, and Bonhams. By creating an account on these platforms, you can showcase your items, initiate auctions, and interact with potential buyers. Once you've prepared your items for auction, you'll need to determine the auction date and duration. Utilize effective marketing strategies to attract potential bidders to your auction. Providing detailed descriptions, high-quality photographs, and additional information such as documentation or certificates when applicable can build trust with buyers. Particularly for items like artworks, sharing details about the artwork's history, artist information, and exceptional features can increase buyer interest. On the day of the auction, it's important to follow the sales process and stay in communication with participants. Dedicate time to answering potential buyers' questions, monitoring bids, and managing the auction process. Making compelling statements, highlighting your items, and regularly updating bids can excite participants and encourage them to place bids. Once the sale is completed, managing the payment and shipping processes properly is important. Offer reliable payment methods to ensure buyers' payments and package and ship the items securely. Delivering the product to the buyer in a reliable and timely manner enhances customer satisfaction and helps build a positive reputation. To earn income through online auctions, you should continuously review your marketing and sales strategies. You can promote your items on social media platforms, share customer testimonials and feedback. Additionally, participating in online auction communities allows you to share experiences and learn from other sellers. These communities help you stay updated with market trends, reach new customers, and make your auctions more efficient. Organizing online auctions and earning income from selling valuable items is a process that requires time, attention, and research. However, by implementing the right strategies, you can succeed in this field and generate income from your valuable items. Remember that each auction experience allows you to learn new things, become a better seller, and increase your income. I hope this detailed write-up has answered your curiosity about organizing online auctions and selling valuable items. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.